this is the Canon stock lens. This is the kit lens that comes with the camera if you buy the whole kit. It's the 15mm to 45mm, and I would say that this is a lovely general all-round type of lens to use. It hasn't got a particularly wide aperture at the lower end. That's the only thing I found that was a little bit difficult, because it only goes down to 3.5, and f3.5 can be a little bit difficult indoors, but it's actually fine outside. So at the bottom end there, it's just a little bit dark. You have to unlock this lens, so what you do is you unlock it and it comes open like that. I would say the weight of this is very, very small. It's nothing compared to the camera body itself. That you can put filters on the front, 49mm filters, so that you can easily put on ND filters and things if you think you need them. So I would recommend this lens as a general all-purpose lens, but for vlogging I just think this is a little bit close at 15mm, especially if you put stabilisation on. And the Canon stabilisation isn't fantastic, so it's kind of a gimbal thing really. I would be more inclined to use a gimbal at 15 and take all the stabilisation off, but that's quite a bit of weight then you're adding to your kit. So it's a nice general all-purpose lens for taking shots of faces, portrait shots, things like that, and for general views. And you've got a little bit of a zoom at 45, because when you convert that, 45 is about 72mm. So if you think about 50mm is a standard sort of view lens, then it just goes up a little bit further. It roughly works out to in real terms of 72mm. So it's a slightly telephoto lens, which makes it lovely for portrait stuff. And at the 15mm end, it's good for countryside stuff where you're taking wide shots and things like that. So it's a good lens if you want to. You can save money though, because you can buy the Canon M50 without a lens, just buy the body, and then you can choose your weapon of choice later if you want to. It's more expensive to do that, but maybe this lens, the focal length of 15 to 45, might not suit you, and that sort of thing that you've got to consider maybe before you buy the Canon M50. But as a general lens, it's actually not a bad one at all. Hope to see you in the next video, and cheers for now.